Today we are making delicious candied walnuts with just a few simple ingredients that I'm sure you have in your kitchen. So you guys go ahead and get the ingredients together so that we can make these candied walnuts together. And we're going to start with putting in 1/4 cup of sweetener. And I already had the pan preheated, as you can see from the steam. Followed by 1/4 cup of brown sweetener. Then 2 tablespoons of butter. And 2 tablespoons of water. And continue to stir this mixture so nothing burns. And at this point, it is ready for the walnuts. And you guys, I made half a batch of these candied walnuts. But I am giving you the measurements for the full batch. And if you want a more sugary consistency, then you will take these off the flame a lot sooner. Or if you want more of a glazed consistency, then leave it in longer. And this is ready. I take it off the stove top and I pour the ingredients on a parchment-lined baking sheet. I spread it out, let it cool, and then I follow up with salt to my taste. And now you guys, you have a delicious candied walnut that you can eat as a snack, or you can add it to one of your favorite desserts, such as ice cream, which is exactly what I am going to do. Thanks for watching.